curriculum magi framework nang kamai khona gadage nang hayeng di 19 papers ni thadoisi but nang loira kan 19 papers to pulap pabe agadra aduna yearly wise semester wise nang kamai na do work to be ai haibagi matang da ekhoina du mai taweba ado 2 months sagina 3 months kumba je moi coaching je pi ekhoina MBBS foundation course hai sigi coaching sigi through da angang sine admission tawraba matung da ma MBBS admission tawre ai lairik leira do bani lairik para do bani haibagi madugi mental setup amakhak mangonda ekhoina pina bo honai ko ado si sumain tawi adui matung da angang sigi every single document magi requirement khuding magi visa gi oigera documentation ki oigera ministry registration oigera immigration ki oigera anything required oiba angang gi ama phaw ekhoina headache pi de and see mathang da if education loan ekhoi manipur middle income state ni lair bana yam bani aduga ekhoi gi sida medical tamba chatli ba ayamba loina mak ekta nuai for student ekta natte ko yam lair ba even orphan student mayam mama ampa ani mak leitaba macha phaw ekhoi gi sidagi tamaga MBBS ekhoi gi degree phang pa yauri ko adu moi da chatpa kan da ekhoina atope assistance sam ko pi kaino hai ban education loans we are not the authority to provide education loan ekhoina education loan provide to bungam manate but maduga mari leina ba knowledge puna mag information khudimak to ekhoina assist to students sing aduna for any students for any parents education loan have is bank na pami ba document ma khaido ekhoida leire adugi checklist adugi document sing do parents na natraga student no provide to bungam magadi student no pami ba natraga parents na pami ba magi loan do bank na provide to jagadavane adubu madu kamaina channelize to gadage kamaina streamline to gadage karam documents sing sangi bank da kari ko hang kani adu mayam do ekhoina assist to we aduni ekhoina piriba service se comprehensive service am khakni aduga yamna to in a very transparent way amada ekhoina hygienic baje parents the commitment laita ragadi certain omission and commission financial issues macha masu mayam se ekhoi dum ekhoi for the interest of the student ekhoi mateng pangna bo nei ko but under commitment ko adu mayam understand to birangani na khali aduna yamna sida hard and first rule yam rigid oiba kaimte leite ekhoina ekhoi service provider ni ekhoi gi interest the interest of the student ni ekhoina we are trying to provide the best service the best quality education high university sing ekhoina chatlaga phajana university sing inspection tawro matung no mafam sida leiba prospect moi facility mayam se phajana understand tawra kan ekhoina university sing se select tawbani aduna ekhoina randomly any university sing ekhoida approach tawra kan hekta ekhoina university ma ekhoi admission houde ko aduga most of the university what I want to tell you is that a government college and government institution yaktani ekhoina admission tawriba ayamba university di government ki university yaktani aduna mayam gi any confusion ma leita ragadi for today it's a wonderful opportunity the best opportunity that you have karigino ha kanda noina tamgena khaliba college mayam dugi representative sing no less than the professor ki position dagi tadraba adumba mi mayam ma then head of department sing university representative sing mayam je laaga leirabadina sigi opportunity ti simadi you don't miss it.
So now I would like to request MIRAJ SHAH KORI to be kindly on the stage to deliver today's welcome address and keynote address.
Hello, good morning everyone. It's a moment of joy and celebration at the same time. It's a moment for a get-together for JR International Education Consultant and to our esteemed International Education Consultant and the representative from different universities. A very warm welcome. We're absolutely thrilled to have you here and eager to collaborate with you to open a world of opportunities for our students in Manipur. Your expertise is invaluable as we strive to connect our talented individual with a vast global education experience in medical education. And to our distinguished guests from various universities across the globe, a special and resounding welcome. Everyone, please welcome our respected guests of today's function coming from different part of the world. And first of all, our esteemed guest, MS Dina Medvedkova from Kazakhstan, an advisor of International Department, South Kazakhstan Medical Academy, and Kimsa Beva, I'm really sorry for mispronouncing it, okay. and from Uzbekistan, Head of Department of International Department, Fargana Institute of Public Health, which we have been under a long association. Kastanov Sabkat Bek, I'm really sorry. I'm really struggling in pronouncing it. Dinov Zalalabad International University from Kyrgyzstan, and our respected friend and our long associator who had been pioneering in our business in providing service for the students, Sir Chandan Kumar, President of IKEA, and Professor Kamal Kishore Burma, writer and author for FMZE books. Abhishek Kumar Nagar, our dearest and beloved brother, Head of Department, Head of International Admission, Fargana Institute of Public Health, and our brother Akash Nagar, Coordinator of International Department, Fargana FMIPH. Thank you very much. We are truly delighted to have a diverse and accomplished group to join us. Your presence truly highlight the global nature of education, the increasing interconnectedness of our academic institution. We understand that many of you have traveled great distance to be here, and we deeply appreciate you making the journey. Thank you very much. Your commitment to fostering the international collaboration and providing transformative education experience for the students in India and particularly in Manipur is truly commendable. And now this time I want to announce for some other thing. We are also celebrating this moment with our star, that is the foreign medical graduate exam successful star for JR International Education Consultant. Now shifting the focus with immense pride, I want to acknowledge another incredible group among us today. We are here to felicitate our incredible students who have come out with flying colors in the FMZ examination. For many of you, especially those who pursue your medical education abroad, the foreign medical graduate exam is a crucial milestone. It is the gateway to practice medicine in India, a testament to your knowledge, dedication, and perseverance. To clear this examination with distinction in what is widely known to be challenging and comprehensive test is nothing short of exceptional. We have seen your limitless hard work, your countless hour of study, the sacrifice you have made, the unwavering determination you have shown. The success is a direct result of the commitment, and you deserve every bit of recognition. Aduna aikoigi mai paava FMZ students in gidamakta mayam ahubu kuba amta khusiko. One distinction that we have with the JR International Education Consultant, apart from the other service providers, it's reflected in the number of students, in the number of association, the transparency that we have in providing our service, and the rate of success in FMZ examination. JR International Education Consultant, the distinction, how we are able to make a distinction in Northeast, entire Northeast key education community, the JR International hierarchy, starting from the Assam to Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, high state mayam sida aikoigi oiba masak ama aikoin utpanga mize aikoigi yam transparency ama khak aiko matam super maintain tawno bo nei. Everything that we know, we are going to provide the same information to the student. Aduga aikoigi, we are making it very accessible. We don't have second party, third party, fourth party, sixth party aikoi leite. Here we have our representative who are coming directly from the different university, and here you are. Aiko students, parents, you can talk to them freely, without any hesitation. Directly what is Havayare. Whatever the queries that you have. If you want to ask about the peace, if you want to ask about the prospect of MBBS in different university of different countries, you can ask. Hangning bakudima hangbayare. Education loan gi through the like tambayabra hangbayare. Other hostel facility kamai legani hangbayare. Magi kind of society kamai tawi hangbayare. Course ki structure kamai tawi hangbayare. W DOMS ki directory the higher college ki kamai reflection tawi. You can ask everything. Sigi transparency, accessibility is there. This kind of accessibility and transparency can be provided by only JR International Education Consultant. And again, atupa mana si mayam sina aikoige loina raga khangbajing done. After the association with JR International Education Consultant, you came to know all these things. Si mayam si loin khangkane. But sinataba topa aikoige khena ba mayam na uri bazina. FMGE gi exam result si thoklakpa matamdane foreign medical graduate exam haibasi ai dinga sai haijabadune it is the testament namakak ne moi larik kamai tami kamai honari kamai dedicate tori moi khangba kam kan honarake moi gi course structure kamai to buno university gi laiba facility kamai lege haba mayam do adugi mayam do kai de reflect or ke ha kanda foreign medical graduate exam haibasi sidadi no one can cheat, no one can lie, no one can manipulate, no one can monopolize. Karam to ya roy. Satra duga magi exam paper duga ani du khaki leina relation ne. Adu every single year in the entire notice ki any service provider amaga aikoi gi leire education service provider ji ga yengnaba matamda haibata aikoi gi rate of success si yobadi amafodi yawdebako aduna aikoina si adum accept aikoina sigi achievement amane aikoin lowe sigi achievement is not our achievement not for their international education consultant but for the students for the parents aikoi mama ampa oibasingna macha oiba aikoi student makaina moino honarakpa moina sida khangba kalla kanda moina honarakpa moi sacrifice mayam ama adugi result amane aikoina khallebako so aikoi gi mai pa aba foreign medical graduate exam students sing asi ekoi felicitate tawdoi ne yam nuai mi kuba mani moi myam gi damakta moi yam kanna haibadagi ngasi se isai ama yahun biu haidana ekoi gi mai pa students sing sina haibadagi hatare moina ekoi gi laurels glory myam purabani na aduna ekoi myam zu haitare ekoi kemu pai leite the only thing that we can do is that we have to follow them aduna moi isai ama ngasi yahun biu haidana ekoi isai program su yawi ko after 3 da manipur gi saknai ra artist myam la aga aikoi isai gi program yawe do mayam lo yomi nagi ji ado in the meantime aikoi gi mi mayam am khak lepaga leibasi ubada yam nuai jade aduna aikoi gi volunteer sing yaragadi aikoi gi ahen ba extra chair sing ba provide tawno ba ko hona ji aikoi yam nuai ko ngasi je we are really happy for today and overwhelmed to see the kind of turnout that we see today mayam lakpi mayam gi damu ta hubu khubam khusi ko let's give it up for all the participants today parents students aikoi former students sing hojik tamiba sing anuba tamgada sing admission tawraga leiraba students sing mayam lakpi benamta aikoi thagachari aduga mayam warobi gano aikoi for the inconvenience that we have created for the lack of seats aikoi seat oino provide tawgani ko every participant sida lakpi attendees kudimaki will provide seat aduna mayam adugi damta nuaitaba phawbi gano aikoi hotel gi authorities singa management staff singa already communicate tawgre aikoi gi mapam aikoi ngasai table thajalaga leram mapam makai aikoi loi lothuani aduga lothuwa kanda anuba sit mayam aikoi thamna bai ko honaragani aduna mayam makhatta ko sit mayam leiri ko anu kakhat piro aduda lepaga le heloi sikoi volunteer singna yam nungai je yam nungai bo moment ni once again aikoi gi FMGE my pakrava aikoi ja international education consultant khakina dana aikoi gi leiriba university mayam gi amasung aikoi gi families mayam da adunguma mai pakpagi nungai bagi chauthok sabagi mikup ama ohilakraba aikoi students sing in mayam ho khuba ma khuziko okay please give it up for those successful students in the FMZ examination adugi yam nungai ba miko ma khak ningasi aduna aikoi get together gi aikoi celebration gi moment ma khak oina aikoi ngasi enjoy tawno bhona jari baje and once again what I want to tell you is that lakpi aikoi gi parents sing yam nungai jai thagachari adagi aikoi da matam supada thajaba thambiba aikoi students sing aikoi gi well associated with students sing aikoi thamjaning badi question to view if you're looking for the student admission kaigumba tawtaragadi angang am student admission to habasida parents ki over right khara lei ko angang sigi every level the question to way magi college ki fee structure na kamai to buno magi college ki leiriba facility na kamai to buno national aikoi ki NMC ki guidelines na kamai to buno si mayam se aikoi yam kupna chacheba aikoi da yam toina aikoi na thengna bada yam nuai ta ba haba tare angagi fees the manipulate to ba monopolize to bi gumba aduga angang ame admission to bu matamda mating pangbu du consulting gi mathong ko angang amana mana leiba college to the khudong cha da ba inconvenience khara leita ragadi madu du mating tak pangbu du consulting gi mathong ko kari gumba angang amana mafam du da leira kan da magi fees kumba thiba gi problem leire financial issues kumba leire under a certain commitment adu da mating pangbu du consulting gi mathong ko but you don't misunderstand that consultant je koi college ama dona ubi ge no consultant the fee thibi ge no parents na question to biyo ba aina khangjada ba kharagi da makta ai bu mi na exploit to hon baza masi yam toina khoi gi lamdam si da thoe ba fraud kumba aikoi sida thoi ba thodu wathok mayam se sidagi isana save to no hon se ba sometimes aikoi da duki problem mayam da thok rakanda ai 10 lakhs mangre 5 lakhs mangre ai chalu ba college to the blacklist or me aduna ai halaga la ai ha ba se aikoi da yam toina thengna bani na sita ba aikoi da yam nuai jade ba aduna ne aikoi na yari ba makai manipur gi yamna foreigners sing manipur da lakpa matam da it is very difficult for this time ko aikoi da permit tongana changi ko madugi oiba portal da moi submit tong no bo na ba kan da it was difficult talks adu bo aikoi na manipur haiba mafam sidadi what is the best service hai ba aikoi mayam da uchage ha da adu ki transparency to maintain tong no bi da aikoi university representative mayam se koi puraga laksa bane ba ko aikoi work to minari ba aikoi ki working partners sing se mayam dum khang bi yo aikoi ss care solution manipur ki leading care consultant ni ko care counseling gi da leiriba aikoi collaborate tawra punna chatmina bani haiba venture sida aduga JI international education consultant for the last 20 years education service ta especially in the field of MBBS ta aikoi na lorko thodang mayam da dum khangbiram gani aduga aikoi na hojik hojik tawjaba se aikoi mayam da haijaram ge keynote ki parna makha yawbani na sigi makha ta bade aikoi ki guest singa aikoi like pdb parents of the students singa interaction aduda oina aikoi mai onse lagani aikoi na first student ama lakpa matam da aikoi na tawbaje counseling hana tawe genuinely sida lakpa ngang sing loi yarong gani ko many student aikoi de MBBS tam jage na lakpa mama ampa ki pressure ge lakpa mayam ma aikoi angang sing do we let them change their decision parents ki pressure de MBBS tam ge lakpa angang mayam ma aikoi parents amadi student mama mapa amadi macha yaw na aikoi counseling tawro matung da moi mayam je mayam ma yawe ba ko this time not more than 20 student hena yawe from different aikoi ki center sing de ge asi mai aikoi counseling sima aikoi da quite mandatory oina aikoi na lowi ko we take it very important counseling tawro matung da angang se genuinely man MBBS interest leire haira de aikoi na magi admission process tawna bagi damakta class 10 12 NEET ki score card Aadhaar natraga passport ki xerox copy amam aikoi na lowe aikoi na original certificate ama bau lode ko ngasi program se live thabani na mayam na ju khangna bani ko aikoi na haije we don't take a single original certificate from the student why should we take university people sing laire kai da ka laite ba angang du gi admission letter provisional admission letter longna bagi damakta aina angang du dagi lupa la ama lobai da ka laite aina angang du dagi magi original classing certificate lobai da ka laite class 2 ki certificate lobai da ka laite and we have not been doing that sida angang admission to ba phanayam na we have admitted not less than 60-70 students for this time hojik phau da angang 60-70 student aikoi admit tawre aikoi na angang ama phau dagi original certificate ama phau collect tawde angang ama phau gi passport aikoi hold tawde aikoi na service kamai provide tawi starting from counseling angang dugi genuine interest aikoi na fangaga angang admission tawrani magi provisional admission letter aikoi university tagi lawrani that's the first step ani sub step ta angang dugi passport aikoi khudak te apply tawna bu hona gani from the moment itself angang duni admission hek to bot mikup to dagi angang dugi passport aikoi apply tawna bu hona gani kai gino ha matam da unnecessary aikoi hayeng passport se khudak ta phangna bu hona pa na guwahati chata yate lupa lising nifu yankai unnecessary adu expenditure to godo bu aikoi protect tawna ba aikoi hona gani adugi mathang da aikoi na angang sida another counseling ama tawe kai no ha matam da nang hayeng FMGE exam haidana ama lai which is going to be next exam ko moi gi oina di sigi exam se nang pass to dragadi nang your life will be meaningless nang tamuribe education it will be meaningless aduna nang FMG gi exam sigi framework se mamugoi da khanghan na bai ko honar kani adugi namakta ikoi na manipur gi leading medical college sing maming panjaroi ge sidagi professor mayam ama na saruk yaraga da for every year MBBS foundation class sai den koina tawi sigi MBBS foundation class sigi through the aikoi foreign medical graduate exam natraga next exam ge magi curriculum magi framework nang kamai hona gadage nang hayeng di 19 papers ni thadoi si but nang loira kan 19 papers pula pabe agadra aduna yearly wise semester wise nang kamai na do work to bayai haibagi matang da aikoi na do mai tawe ba ado 2 months sagina 3 months kumba je moi coaching si pi aikoi na MBBS foundation course hai sigi coaching sigi through da angang sine admission tawra matung da ma MBBS admission tawre ai like leira do bani like para do bani haibagi madugi mental setup ama khak mangonda aikoi na pina bo honai ko ado si sumain tawi adui matung da angang sigi every single document magi requirement khuding magi visa gi oigera documentation gi oigera ministry registration oigera immigration gi oigera anything required oiba angangi ama phaw akhoi na headache pide and see mathangda if education loan akhoi manipur middle income state ni lairabana yambani aduga akhoi gi sida medical tamba chatliba ayamba loina mak ekta nuai fa student ekta natte ko yam lairaba even orphan student mayam mama ampa animak leitaba macha phaw akhoi gi sidagi tamaga MBBS akhoi gi degree fang pa yauri ko adu moida chatpa kanda akhoi na atop assistance sam ko pi kaino have the education loans we are not the authority to provide education loan akhoi education loan provide to bunga manate but maduga mari leina ba knowledge puna information khudimak to akhoi assist to students sing aduna for any students for any parents education loan have is bank na pami ba document ma khai do akhoi da leire adugi checklist adugi document sing do parents na natraga student no provide to bunga magadi student no pami ba natraga parents na pami ba magi loan do bank na provide to jagadavane adubu madu kamaina channelize to gadage kamaina streamline to gadage karam documents sing sangi bank da kari ko hang kani adu mayam do akhoi assist to we aduni akhoi na piriba service se comprehensive service am khakni aduga yamna to in a very transparent way am da akhoi haijening baje parents na commitment leita ragadi certain omission and commission financial issues macha masu mayam se akhoi dum akhoi for the interest of the student akhoi mateng pangna bo nei ko but under commitment ko adu mayam understand to birongani na khali aduna yamna sida hard and first rule yam rigid oiba kaimte leite akhoi na akhoi service provider ni akhoi gi the interest of the student ni akhoi na we are trying to provide the best service the best quality education higher university sing akhoi ni chatlaga phajana university sing inspection tawro matung do mafam sida leiba prospect moi facility mayam se phajana understand tawro kan akhoi na university sing se select tawbani aduna akhoi na randomly any university sing akhoi approach tawro kan hekta akhoi na university ma akhoi admission haude ko adu most of the university what I want to tell you is that a government college and government institution yaktani akhoi na admission tawriba ayamba university di government ki university yaktani aduna mayam gi any confusion ma leita ragadi for today it's a wonderful opportunity the best opportunity that you have karigino ha kanda noina tamgena khaliba college mayam dugi representative sing no less than the professor ki position dagi tadraba adumba mi mayam ma then head of department sing university representative sing mayam je laaga leirabadina sigi opportunity ti simadi you don't miss it at least the live mayam sina wahang amom de hangna bo na siko aduga akhoi gi ngasai gi akhoi na yamna nungai jaba mikup ama haiba tare akhoi gi FMG pass out ograba akhoi laurels puri akhoi gi students sing gi mai pak gi nungai ba akhoi puna mohana saruk ya jage aduga horen loiba phawba saruk ya minaji aduga sigi matung da ngasi akhoi na thamjari ba akhoi gi musical event ama khak hai tare akhoi gi students sing gi insistence ki ta akhoi thamjabani hariba musical event so icham chamba akhoi gi family gi get together program ama ne na khanbiraga masi so mayam saruk ya minaji and thank you very much once again and thank you very much for attending our event and I hope ngasi ki program je hodringi mamang de ha tare before starting our program akhoi gi hall si full oigrabani akhoi seat ki requirement adudai leigrabani madugi nungai ba se ha tare akhoi this we all know that this doesn't happen in Manipur akhoi program hauni ha rakanda pungma ani le rakanda akhoi gi mi mayam je la full oibani ko ngasi di organizer ki mamang the audience mayam na loi la kan ngasi whole full oibasima it's amazing and we are truly indebted to you all thank you very much